And maybe they'll be called back, and maybe they'll feel like they can be able to contribute to United Way and donate some funds this year.
United Way is changing its strategy for the 2010 campaign year. Good evening, I'm Jeff Smith.
And I'm Nicole Kahn. Nice to see you this evening. United Way is reevaluating community needs to set a goal for its 2010 campaign.
Ava Wilhite tells us now why committee members are starting now while the campaign kickoff isn't until September. Ava?
Last year was the first time in 35 years that the United Way of Greater Lafayette did not meet its campaign goal. This year, organizers are lining up company visits earlier and adding more of them.
Our campaign is specifically focused on workplace giving, and when people aren't working, it's very difficult for them to give. And so we recognize that in a way that perhaps we didn't recognize as clearly last year.
That's one reason why the United Way of Greater Lafayette is reevaluating community needs for the 2010 United Way campaign. James Taylor is the executive director of the United Way. He says reevaluating isn't a new process, but changing the focus of campaign fundraising is.
What we are looking at specifically are employment numbers, people getting called back, and trying to figure out where our opportunities may be.
2010 campaign chair Cindy Murray says this year the campaign committee is adding more businesses.
Usually we do 30 of them, and this year I kind of opted to hit a few more agents or a few more companies this year because I think there maybe have been some businesses that maybe had fallen through the cracks over the years or that maybe need a little more information about United Way.
In 2008, the United Way set a goal of $5 million. A total of $4.4 million was raised in 2009, but only $3.7 million came from public support compared to $4.9 million in public support in 2008. The 2009 fundraising shortfall led to a 10.8% cut to United Way agencies like Food Finders Food Bank. Food Finders Executive Director Katie Bunder says they had to delay hiring program coordinators because of lack of funds.
It's one of our most reliable sources of operating revenue. And the great thing about the United Way is they fund the agency, not just the programs or capital expenditures. And so we use that for things like salaries and insurance.
Murray says the committee is still doing its homework, so a goal won't be set until June. A few companies in the area have experienced callbacks for jobs, and some of those will be the first stops the United Way makes. Ava Wilhite, News Channel 18.